I'm super excited today. We're back. The house is finally finished. It's a ton of renovations going on over here. We're pretty much done with everything. We're on the market now. We have everything completed, from a new roof to new bathrooms, new kitchen, the whole nine. So you gotta go in and see what we got going on. All right, guys, come in. Let's check out the finished product. Everything is all completed. Nice walnut hardwoods throughout. Nice spacious dining area. All new light fixtures, recessed lighting. Beautiful kitchen. Check out the backsplash. Take a look at the master. Got that floor. Okay, guys, as you can see, we made a ton of renovations in here. It looks like a completely different house now. Let's go outside and see what kind of work we did out back. All right, as you can see, it's all clear. We took out a large tree over here in front of the workshop. We also came over here with the patio, smoothed it out, kind of redid the benches on it. Go in and check the workshop out. It's completed. We're ready to go on the market. We're on the market currently at 144.9. We've already had 3 showings. I'm looking forward to go pretty quickly. Also, I've been taking a lot of phone calls and inboxes on social media, just from a lot of people that are interested in getting started with flips. If you have any questions about this property or any flip properties in general, please feel free to reach out, 803-447-0219. I'd be more than happy to just talk with you or assist you with anything you're trying to do real estate related. Give me a call. Stay tuned.